this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete everything off your Android phone or your Samsung phone here. This is easy to do, so you don't need to put it into the recovery screen. You can just swipe on down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down under here. So if you got a Samsung phone, you want to go to About Phone right here. Tap this, scroll on down, go to Reset right here on the bottom. Now the nice thing about Samsung is if you're logged in with your account, you can go to Temporary Cloud Backup right here. And you can back up your data and you have 30 days of unlimited storage. So if you mess something up, you can just restore your data right there. So make sure you back it up first. And then we have the reset option. We can reset all the settings, reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, accessibility settings, and then finally factory data reset down here at the bottom. So we can just tap this and it will say all the things that is going to happen. All data will be erased from the following settings. So it says your Google account, system and app data settings, download app, music, pictures, all other user data. Now it says the decryption key files on your SD card. You will not be able to use your encrypted files on the SD card after you set your device to default settings. So sometimes there's a setting that will encrypt the data on your SD card, and you can only use it on this phone. If you reset your phone, well, you won't be able to use it on your phone any longer because it's not going to recognize the encryption anymore. And then here's all the different personal accounts. And then hit reset. And everything will be wiped off your phone now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.